This is Austin also. We're gonna go sneak on Derek Platt. He's on the top bunk, he's sleeping. We're gonna push him off. He's right there. Hurry up. There's him. See ya. Sucker.
Dude, what the freak? Why you always do this?
Knock the wind out of you, huh?
Freaking, stupid. You're so freaking, oh my gosh.